Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. Yeah, I know I'm just doing my intro. I just got back from church. I've done this makeup before going to church. I just came back. Now I'm doing my intro, and you will see on the video this is not the top I was wearing because I dropped makeup on the shirt I was wearing. So don't be, this makeup was not done another day, because some people will be thinking that. So I just wanted to come do my intro and tell you, if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. You know I love you. Please just subscribe. It's free. Please share this video with your friend. This is just a simple chit chat makeup tutorial using old and new makeup. Yeah, so if you want to see how I came up with this look, stay tuned for this video, guys. Let's begin. Makeup Forever lip balm. This lip balm is moisturizing. I'm going to prep my face for the foundation. Okay, I've already moisturized my face using my facial serum, but I think I should prime. Let me prime. I'm going to prime using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is moisturizing in one, and it claimed to be 24 hours. Just like the fact that it's really moisturizing, because my skin can be really dry sometimes and can be oil during the day, so I don't know. So this is a good primer for me right now.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you.
Hey guys, I'm going to color correct my skin because I have breakout. Let's not talk about it. To use this, the Makeup Forever concealing palette. So I'm going to use the FW Beauty. It's 24K gold facial oil. I don't know if it's real carrot gold, babe. So it has this gold. You just apply it on the orange shade. So I'm going to apply it on the orange shade because I need it to help me blend. I'll just take my Technique brush. I know some people that have acne that don't use color correcting, they just use full coverage foundation. But when you suffer with like uneven face, you need to color correct. Like me now, the area in my mouth is darker than the other area on my face, so sometimes I like color correcting just to balance it out. So I'm going to apply this new Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light. It's like a liquid illuminator. All this story is just story. This is a liquid illuminator. If you don't know what illuminator is, it's the liquid highlighter that you can apply underneath your foundation, on top of here to make you glow. You just do whatever. And I'm using the shade 50 with a simple pump to apply this illuminator everywhere. The Smashbox foundation. I've always used this, but Smashbox have discontinued this foundation. I don't know why. It's amazing. So I'm going to apply the foundation. So I'm just going to take that. I'm going to use the Louise Beauty teardrop brush to blend this out. Look at that. Can you see that good? Right? I actually like that Makeup Forever illuminator. It's not as thick as the others that I have. This is really nice. Just give it that natural glow. To highlight my face, I'm going to use two concealer to highlight. Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. This is waterproof, full coverage concealer, and I'll use the shade Dark Neutral. Then I will also use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Deep Golden. I think I will mix it together because the Urban Decay is pretty thick and full coverage, and I need the Colourpop to help it blend, if you didn't understand what I mean. No, you can see I give that gap underneath my eyes because I want to use the Urban Decay underneath there, because the Urban Decay is pretty, it's lighter than the Colourpop. I have concealers all over my face. It's fine. This is normal. This is the routine. Just follow.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
Good. The coverage is sick. That coverage is sick. Oh, covered everything. It covered everything. It covered all the bags of not sleeping.
Oh, so I choke you down just like a pill.
I'll just set using 2 powder. The reason why I'm using 2 powder is because the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder, I don't like the color, it's too light for me. Then I'm going to mix it with the Mimas powder because this is a powder for dark skin. I'm just going to use the Makeup Forever concealer palette. I'll just take the darker shade on this palette. Just apply it out where you need it.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just.
Like I said, I'm just doing a very soft contouring. I'm not doing something harsh. My CoverGirl bronzer. Use the Real Technique Brush Crush brush. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty blocking powder. I always use this during the day when I want to block my makeup. I'm just going to take this on the brush. I always like spraying my face, mostly when the days that my skin is feeling dry, with my Marabodesque facial spray. And also, guys, this makes me feel so good. So I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade for my brows. I know everybody do their brows very differently. It's not really, the way I do my brows is not some people's cup of tea. I use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer to just quickly clean the brows. For the eyeshadow, to prime my lid, I'm going to use the Adele Beauty Good Eyeshadow Primer. If you have like your lid creases a lot when you're applying your eyeshadow, invest on this. I'm going to try out this Smashbox Lid Primer, and it's in dark. This is by Smashbox. Oh, this looks like a concealer. That is the shade right there. This looks like a concealer, guys. Yeah, sometimes you want to use your concealer to prime your lid because you need that base, skin tone base. You can just use this primer. And concealer always crease, so eyeshadow primer is a plus. Because I can't use my concealer because it's always creasing up on me, and this is drying really fast. Shadow, I'm going to use the Subculture palette by ABH. I'm just going to use some of the shade in this palette. This way, take Forge. Just use this as a transition color. So let me respect myself and just put powder underneath my eyes. Taking Forge, blending it. I think I need to wet this brush because it's really stiff. Just blending the new wave on top of that. These are the shades I always use on this palette. I don't know. There are some shades I've never touched. So I'm going to take the shade All Star. So I'm taking the shade All Star. I'm going to apply this on the outer corner. Oh my god, that is so pigmented. The outer V. Then I'm blending it up. Then I'm going to take a clean brush and use that to blend out the harsh line. For lid color, I'm going to take these two products that was sent to me by Eloise Beauty. Metallic eyeshadow by Eloise Beauty. Take this two shade. Oh wow, oh wow. That is highly pigmented. Let me just apply more. I need to build up the color. So once it's drying down, you can actually build up the color. I like this. Oh, I love this. I've gone too crazy on that side, so I'm going to stop. I think I'm getting too excited using this product, so I'm going to stop. It's okay. Eloise Beauty, guys, check it out. It's really nice. I'm going to leave this to dry. So I'm just using this eyeliner by Terrain A for my waterline. So I'm just going to take the shade All Star. I think I should use a small blending brush for the top. I'll just use this to just blend out the harsh line. Then I need a pop of color underneath my eyes. That is just what I want today. I'm going to take this Smashbox eyeshadow. This shadow right here. I'm going to take it. It's a shimmer eyeshadow. But it's fine. Oh, that is pigmented. I'll use this liner by Aris Beauty, the Aris Beauty black liner. I'm just going to do a simple liner. I'm not going to wing it. Morphe lashes. Chestnut lip liner. I've been loving this lip liner. This is the MAC Chestnut. I'm using the OPV lipstick. What shade is this? In the shade Lagos Babes. Oh, love it. I think this lipstick is too much for this look. I'm going to take this lipstick by Terrain A. This is Terrain A liquid lipstick. What shade is this? The shade 503. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty highlighting palette. Glow baby, glow baby. Okay, okay, I see you now. Oh, how can something be this beautiful? I'm sorry. Can't help myself when I'm applying highlighter.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
I'm being too extra. I dropped my pen in the basket of love. This is the Adele Beauty mascara. I just applied this on the top and bottom.
So I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. It was pretty easy. I actually like the product I use, the Louise Beauty, their metallic eyeshadow. I like it, but the thing is creasing up on me. I just got back from church. As you can see, I changed my top from the previous clip, so it creased up on me, so I had to set it using the ABH powder, sorry, ABH eyeshadow. So I took this shimmer shade. Where is it? This shimmer shade right here. I used that to set the lid because it was creasing up. So I actually like the metallic eyeshadow. I would definitely set it with a eyeshadow after applying this as a base, so that will work if your lid creases up like mine. So set it with a eyeshadow. So I love the illuminator I use underneath my base. That is from Makeup Forever. Everything I use are always listed at the description bar, so make sure to use this description bar. If you have any more questions, ask me at the comment section. Let's talk about it. Ask me any question. We are good. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. I'm just saying, it's free. Bye guys.
Make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.